bring our hand behind angle, try to keep 15 degrees angle. The other hand is placed here. So for the neck, you go behind the ear. From here, you're just gently moving down and bringing it to the collarbone area, nudge here. Again, going up, behind and nudge. Not applying strong pressure, not going to 90 degrees. We'll keep it at a soft and 15 degrees angle and nudge. Both sides done, then we can do a little bit of gentle movements of the neck because we have a thyroid gland here. Softly, can avoid completely, no problem at all. After this, we will do for the jaw. So from jaw here, indent, you are going to place it here. We are going to use the other hand. Remember, using two hands, move it a little bit to the side, tone up. And now gently move and nudge. Nudge. Both sides, done, finish. After this, we use the long edge. Again, we are going to use the hand, pull and here. So from the lip area, pull here. Got it? Done. After this, we move to the cheek. So from here, you pull a little bit from here so that you don't have any more wrinkles, and then don't crush the eyes, a little bit below, just for the cheek. Pull, bring it to the side, nudge. Again, pull, side, nudge. Remember the angle, not going like this, not trying to pierce, not doing the tail. Sideways movement and nudge at the ear. Finish. After this is the eyes. What you're going to do is we're going to use it like this for under the eyes, eyebrows. We will use it like this, okay? So under the eyes, we will use softly, okay? From here, use the hand, pull up, gentle movement, and then from here, nudge, okay? Gentle movement, not under the eyes straight away, a little bit below, and then from here, pull, bring it up, nudge here. You have crow feet lines here, so you can bring it all the way, going up, nudge, all right? Eyebrows, again, same thing, pull up, no more wrinkles. From here, remember holding it correctly and nudge, okay? Cover, the entire area we will cover, not going like this or like this. Cover the entire area, nudge, got it? Then the forehead or number 11 lines here. Again, pull, gentle movements. Both sides, when you are done, we will do lymphatic drainage. From here, again, we can pull, gentle movement, side, and we bring the toxins down, nudge. Again, soft, up, down. 6 to 8 strokes, you do both the